This is a perfect snack for quarantine. As you could see, it's very okay. So my mom has a recipe because she made this, and this is very nice. It is actually really tasty. If you don't know what the white thing is, you might think it's just whipped cream or something like that, but it's actually not. Uh, it's actually just what should I say? Milk. I don't know how to translate it, but this is good. Um, this is sweet. Here is like Milo, except the like. Well, it's actually one of the drinks I used to eat. I mean, drink. Actually, just a snack bar, and then they turned the snack bar into a drink. Then they turned that, and yeah. And what you need is milk, and then milk powder, and then sugar, and then vanilla, and then salt, pinch, and then you need cornstarch and water, which becomes oobleck. So I'm eating oobleck right now. Water and then egg yolk, and it's called boil until thick. So milk, milk powder, sugar, vanilla, salt, pinch, and then there's like cornstarch, water, egg yolk. Now, actually, this black thing is actually agar agar, and how I made it is with just some powder. Actually, just wait. Yeah, this thing. My mom uses. You could use Milo. You could actually use anything, but more like chocolatey and sweet is bitter. So, well, it's not bitter, better. This chocolate drink. Um, Yeah, that's it. These are the same, and they taste good. You have to put. So how you make this is you put this powder, like Milo powder, whatever powder, like drinks, Ovaltine, whatever, and put it into like a bowl, and then put water in it, and then you put jelly powder in it, and then put it in the freezer until it freezes, and it'll turn into this right here. As you can see, it's solid. You have to put it in like a jelly type looking place, and it'll look very perfect. And as you can see, this is the cream that we use. Very nice. I'm gonna try this out. Yeah, that's my recipe. I mean, my mom's recipe. It's really cool.